I bet you've never thought about aliens challenging us to an invention contest. Picture this. A massive shimmering UFO, all swirling neon lights, lands not in a desert, but on a suburban street. Out they step, not with blasters, but with clipboards and a look of friendly competitive curiosity. The challenge is laid down. The first ever intergalactic invention showdown. So, what do we bring to the table? Earth's got some crazy stuff, right? We proudly present the microwave, a box that turns frozen food into a hot meal in minutes. We show them the sheer joy of a roller coaster, a metal beast designed purely for screaming your lungs out. We even try to explain the internet, this invisible web connecting billions of minds, mostly for sharing cat videos. We think we've got this. But then, it's their turn. The aliens, with a flick of a tentacle, unveil their creations. They counter our roller coaster with personal anti-gravity boots, letting you bounce on clouds. And our microwave? They laugh, then zap a perfect, piping hot pizza into existence with an instant pizza beam. They even have a device that translates your dog's barks into eloquent poetry. The game has officially changed. Suddenly, the competition melts away. We're not trying to beat them. We're just fascinated. Now, here's the coolest part. Maybe everyone wins in this wild face-off. It becomes the universe's most epic potluck of ideas. We trade a roller coaster ride for a float in their boots. They get to see a million cat videos, and we get endless pizza. Because, the universe just got way more fun.